Hello everyone, this is David, and today I'm going to be reacting to Shoshana Bean performing Make It Rain. Alright, let's get right into it.
The sins of my father way down in my soul, and the pain of my mother, oh, it will not let me go. Well, I know there can't come fire from the sky to refine the purest of kings. Even though I know this fire brings me pain, even so, and just the same, make it rain, make it rain down on me, make it rain, make it rain, make it rain, rain down on me, make it rain, make it rain. Now the seed needs the water to grow up from the ground, but it just keeps on getting harder. Ooh, the hunger more profound. Well, I know there can come tears from my eyes, but they may as well all be in vain. 'Cause even though I know these tears come with pain, even so, and just the same, make it rain, Lord, make it rain down on me, make it rain. Make it rain, make it rain. The sea is filled with water. It stops by the shore. It's like the riches of grandeur. Ooh, they never reach the poor. So let the sky fill with thunderous applause, and let lightning be the veins to fill the sky with all that they can draw when it's time. Make a change, make it rain, Lord, make it rain down on me, make it rain, make it rain, make it rain, please, please. Make it rain, 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 rain. Make it rain, then make it rain, make it rain, rain down on me, make it rain. Please make it rain.
Very intriguing voice. I know she does a cover with voice play. What you want to call it? Baby, It's Cold Outside. I haven't seen that yet, but I am going to react to that. I gotta say, she's got a very raspy voice. It's got a lot of grit to it, and I like that. And she can do some stuff. She was doing some stuff in there. I was like, okay. Well, you could tell she's got a lot of skill. It's not really a typical sounding voice at all, which I really enjoy. And yeah, I mean, she has a very good sense of dynamics too. Like she was going in and out of like a little bit more of a chest voice, and then backing off of that, and yeah, it was just very good, very good. Kind of wish she had a different guitarist accompanying her. Not that he played badly. He played very well. It's just he seemed a little inconsistent with the styles he was playing. But you know, that's just me. But he's a very skilled guitarist. It's just, I think I don't know. His guitar playing didn't seem always very cohesive to me. Having said that, he's a much better guitarist than I am, so maybe I should just stop talking about that. But anyways, yeah, she's very good. I really like her voice. It's a nice full voice, but at the same time, there's hints of like subtlety to it, so I like it. I feel like I'm not making sense with this reaction, but yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna end it here, guys. So thanks for watching.